Well, today's the day. We pulled Cannibal out. This thing's been sitting in there for probably a month now. What we're going to do today is we're going to put air in that tire and we're going to paint this car. Figured it's a good day to any day to paint it, so let's get painting. Now I kind of want to go with a banger theme on this. I kind of want Zacks Workshop right down the side. I maybe on an angle Zacks Workshop. I'm not really sure. I'm going to try to lay it out. But if you don't know what I mean by a banger theme, I want bright colors, blues, pastels kind of colors. I don't have a whole lot of colors to choose from, so I'm going to have to play this wisely, and I don't want to go buy any colors because I am cheap. I'm feeling really, really cheap right now. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up. What we're going to do is we're going to go take a look at my color collection and see what we can make this look like. A little bit of black, maybe a quarter can of yellow, quarter can of blue, that's white house paint. We got light blue, not too much left of that, some green, oh, knocking over some boxes, and some pink. So I'm kind of thinking blue, baby blue, maybe some pink. That's what I'm thinking right now. And then we'll do our lettering in red. Maybe some green, maybe some red. I'll have to go buy some yellow. Can I mix two of these colors and get yellow? I'm not a huge, maybe if I mix yellow and green, I'll get yellow. I don't really know the color spectrum very well. But let's take these outside and see what we got to deal with. Paint dry, and it kind of looks like it's going to rain tonight. The forecast is calling for it. It's about 8:30 at night. I want to go eat some dinner. I got to go to work tomorrow at 6 a.m. so we're just going to push this thing back in the shop, finish painting up tomorrow. Didn't really turn out 100% the way I wanted to so far, but we'll get there. Wife can't find reverse in the aluminum. She'll find it eventually. Anyway, let's get this back in tomorrow night. We'll pull it back out and we'll put all the decals down the side of it. So I guess tomorrow we'll start right about now. I'm just joking. It'll be in about 35 seconds once I get this done. See you guys tomorrow. Okay. I'm coming. Welcome back to day number 2. Told you it'd feel like the same day for you guys. I went out and I bought some spray paint. Now, I don't think they use a lot of spray paint over in the UK. I know that this is a lot of hand-done stuff. But let's face it, I'm not an artist. I can smash steel with a hammer and make it look kind of good, but I can't paint. So, I'm kind of a little nervous on how this is going to turn out, but I'd like Cannibal across the front, Zacks Workshop, and then I'd like 171 down the side, and then Zach's workshop down the side as well. So we'll see how far I get with this and see how well it turns out. I bought some masking tape. I got a rough idea if I want to lay some lines, spray paint it in the colors I want, and then trace over it with black, and then do the color fill in later. So we'll see how this turns out. It's basically all I'm going to do is see how this turns out. So this is the type of look I was going for. Like that. And what did I end up with? That. I'm not happy with this paint job. I'm not happy with this paint job. I had big plans for this car inside my head. I wanted it to look beautiful. I can't paint. It's actually bothering me a bit how bad this car looks. I really don't like the way this looks at all. Maybe I'll give the wife a whole bunch of money and tell her to paint it. I feel like the last 2 nights I've spent painting this car is a waste. I don't like it. I don't like anything about it. This is not what I had pictured for this car. I am not a detailed painter. I just started giving up halfway through. I really don't like this paint job. Oh, well, hopefully my wife will take some pity on me and she'll come out here and paint this for me, because this is ugly. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Like I said, maybe I'll give her some money and tell her to go pick up some colors and paint me a car that I'd be proud of, not this thing that I despise. Thanks for watching, guys. See you back here tomorrow.